It's day 10 and we've lost Sync. Sync's had to go home. He's only here for 1 week. It's not going to be the same without Sync, not going to lie. But 6 become 5 and we crack on. We are leaving Villena and we are now moving on. Well, we're going to have a day, I can't even remember where we're going. We're going to Dean's mum's. Don't even know where it is. Can't remember off the top of my head. Dean, where's your mum live? For him. There you go. That's where we're off to. And yeah, have a chill day for once actually. Have a little chill by the pool. Yeah, man. And who knows? Maybe a bit of whooping, maybe a little bit of fixing,
100%.
bit of a recharge.
Bit of dancing.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, drinking. Definitely up my street. Okay, I lied. We are at another Bando before we go to where are we going again? Where's it? Cehegín, that's it, Cehegín. Before we go to Cehegín, quick stop at a Bando. Oh, problems?
Hello.
Hello.
No, at least just run my battery to 9 volts. It's fine. Don't worry.
It's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
More than enough volts there.
It will charge. Yeah.
Let's go.
One of mine. One of mine.